So Salman, thank you so much for sending this precious gift. That is all for today. Assalamu alaikum, this is me Mohammed Hasnain once again with all of you people today. It's Eid today. A day filled with lots of laughter, lots of joy, lots of many different things which include none other than gifts. May it be your Eid that you get from your parents, that you get from your elders, or may it be gifts from people that you get all around. Maybe it be your friends, or in this case, my fans. Today I've got a really amazing thing that I got from a fan, which is none other than this perfume. Now, let me tell you something, that it can't be Eid without scents and without perfumes. I've got so many gifts in the past, such as different perfumes, different scents, but each time it's a new experience and it's lovely. And recently one of my fans from Dubai sent me this gift, which is really nice. Now you may think what this gift is, so let me show you guys, which is a perfume. Now I won't go into details of the perfume box, but I'll show you the perfume. Yes, it is a snake. So it's a really amazing scent that once you put on, it smells really amazing, and it's just a really nice vibe. I really like the smell of this. Now, and since I go to many different events, TV shows and much more, I always have a need for different scents and most of all different type of clothes. So not only have this person, this fan, sent me a scent, he has also sent me many different clothes that he has sent. Now it's a really big honor, and most of all, I'm not here to talk about a gift that is sent from this one person, or I'm not here to talk about this scent or give a promotion of it. What I'm meaning to say is the fact that this person sent this and he had some kind of ideology, some kind of emotion behind it. This is not just about a gift. This gift that he sent me, this very nice, it's a made in Dubai, I hope so. It's he sent it to me from Dubai, so it's a gift that is really nice and I really like it. But it's not just about the fact that he sent it from somewhere, it's a scent, it's whatever it is. It's about the emotion. It's about the ideology behind sending a gift. It's more than just a gift. It is a group of emotion, it is a group of feeling when you have affection for someone that you send them a gift. So make sure that when it's Eid, you give gifts to your friends, to the people you idolize, and to people that are in the community that care for you. Because look, all of these things that I have here, this is also a gift, this is also a gift, this is also a gift. All of these copies, different scents, different things, all of these have been given to me as gifts, and all of these just make it better for me, because it's not about what the gift is. Even if it's a pile of dirt, I will still hold it dearer to my heart than any other gift, because of the fact that the person had emotion, the person had feelings behind that pile of dirt. So Salman, thank you so much for sending this precious gift. That is all for today. Thank you so much. Eid Mubarak to everyone, and Allah Hafiz.